Hello, I'm going to teach you how to create a monthly budget on Google Sheets that you can use then to find out how much spending money you are going to have each month based off of your paychecks and your bills. So once you open up your internet browser, in this case I'm using Google Chrome, go up and make sure that you are signed into your account. If you are not, go ahead and do that so that it comes up to a screen like this. And then click on the 3x3 box. And once you do that, you are going to get down to Google Drive. Click on that, and up on the top, you're going to create a new Google Sheet. So we're going to title this, so go up where it says Untitled Spreadsheet, and we are going to create our monthly budget. So go down to the A1 box and you're going to type in income. Now below that, so in my case, my wife and I, we get paid twice a month each, so we have 4 paychecks between the two of us. So you can create this or modify it however you need to based on your income. So I'm just going to put pay in here 4 times. And right after I'm done with my paychecks, I'm going to type in the word total. Now go down to A8, and we're going to split this up into first half bills. And let's list some generic ones. Let's say we have our mortgage, car payment, electric, HOA dues, and create a couple extra spaces just in case you end up joining a gym membership or maybe having a second car payment or something like that in the first half of the month. So let's go down a couple. Now we're going to type in our second half bills. And let's come up with some other ones here. So let's say phone bill, other utilities. So let's say garbage, and another car payment, gym membership. Okay, so here are some general ones that most people could have. So next thing I want you to do, go into your B column, highlight or click at the B1, and then drag down the whole way down to maybe through 27. Then you're going to go up and click on the dollar sign so that we're dealing with money. And let's start typing in, let's say each paycheck is $1,000. Nice and slick, type in $1,000, press enter, and you'll see that $1,000 comes up with the dollar sign. Now we want to know how much we make per month, and if it's not as easy as, $1,000 each, this thing comes in handy. So we're going to click on the B6 square, or in your case, whatever square you're on that needs to be the total. Press enter and write the word sum. Then parenthesis B2 colon B5. Now this is going to be different. It's going to be whatever or however many paychecks you are including in your total monthly income. After that, press enter and it does a nice thing and it adds it all up for us. So click down a couple times and we are going to type in some of our money for our bills. So let's say rent is 1,000, or mortgage is 1,000, car payment 300, electric 100, HOA dues 150. Second half for a phone is 150, garbage 40, another car payment, this one's 500, and a gym membership's $100 a month. All right. So we're going to go back up to the first half bills. This is going to be our total for our first half bills. Press equals, write out the word sum, parentheses again, and we're going to do B9 because that's the first one of our first half bills. But we're going to go down to B16 to include all the way through that. Remember to put that colon in there and close it off. So First half of the month, we have $1,550 in bills. Second half, do the same thing. Equals. Write out sum, parentheses, B18, colon. Let's go down to B25, just in case we have some new bills come up. Again, close it off and press enter. So now, seeing though we went through B25 in our second half bills, let's go down to the one right below that and write in monthly spending. So this is going to show you what you're able to spend every month outside of your bills. In this one then, B26, write in equals, and it's going to be the B6, because that is how much you make per month, minus the sum of B8 and B17. Now those numbers are going to be different based off of how many bills you have. So you can tell right there, based off of our $4,000 income per month and all of our bills taken out, we now have $1,660 to spend per month. Hope that helps, and then that way you guys can keep track of how much you're spending each month.